see the life in them. You can almost taste their vitamins, the pure flavor, the freshness.
My love, what's the...
No.
What is it? What are you cooking, dude?
Food.
What are you cooking?
Food.
No, come on, be serious, my love.
Yeah, I'm serious. It's food.
What is it?
Food.
Oh my god, it smells so good. Yeah, I love it. We are cooking Nasi, so I'm going to tell you what is it. It's Nasi. So what's in it is a leek, bacon, pork, ground pork, bell pepper. What else?
Food.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's like onion, garlic, and yeah, with a Nasi powder, Nasi Goreng powder. And where is it? Oh my love, what? Okay, that is it. Yeah. It's hiding. You don't want to copy your cooking? So I give it a good mix. Yeah. Smells so good. This is the effect of quarantine.
Don't touch my food.
Your food? It's not your food, dude. Oh, come on. Because I want to get a good one.
Why?
It's because I want to post.
Yes. So, I don't like that.
So I have to talk. Come on. So I can get a nice video.
No.
How is it? How was it, my love?
Amazing.
Amazing. Okay. Wow, you're just... Okay. Soy sauce. Okay, and then give it a good stir. My love, show them some love. One more, one more. I did not get it. Come on. My love. Oh my goodness, it's so stubborn. Jij bent Gerda. Hedel?
Koppig?
Koppa? Jij bent Koppa? Nee. Schatje, nee?
Nee.
Nee. It's goed. Echt lekker?
Ja, echt lekker.
Echt lekker. Oké. Dat is salt. Okay. We have a video, so say bye. My love, say bye.
Nee.
Oh, you want to have a video?
No, you gotta use also that bye.
Then say bye.
No.
Oh my god. Okay. Here is it. So good. It's done? And then mix with the rice. Okay, let's see how how he do it. Oh, that's it. That's it. Now we are going to eat. It's messy. If hubby is cooking, it's always messy. So yes. Oh, you want me to fry egg?
We don't have egg.
We don't have no more egg. Oh, I want egg. Okay, that's mine. Oh, let me rice. Okay, thank you for cooking, my love. My love, thank you for cooking. Thank you for cooking.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.